Hi everyone, Lucia back with two jars today, and I'm gonna open this one. I decided to open this one today, and this will be for, let me show you this one first. This will be for a silent auction. I decided to do a silent auction for this one. It's a heavy one, probably more than 3 pounds. So if you're interested, please send me your bid at 626-884-5815, and I will wait until 8 o'clock today Pacific time, right? Let me show you a little bit what's inside. Yeah, so this one is a silent auction, and the price, the auction starts at $50, okay? Because I pay 50 for this one, and this is what I have here. I decided that this probably is silver, and yeah, I'll show you a little bit more. Okay, so that's for the silent auction. Send me your bid at 626-884-5815. Okay, starting bid $50 for this one. Okay, and I will wait until 8 o'clock tonight. And now let me zoom in a little bit, and now I'm gonna open this one, and let's see what's in this one. Okay, if we have any treasures. Look, I just saw that one over there. I think that's a Tiffany. Okay, and this is real, but we shall see. If we have treasures, or if we have fun. Definitely we're having fun every day, every time. I mean, we're opening this. Okay, I have a little mouse here, a pin. Okay, and this was a brooch, and it's broken. Somebody made it into a pendant. I think this is plastic, some sort of plastic. Okay, tape. Okay, this looks like a Monet bracelet, a vintage one, very nice. 5 strands. It is, wait a minute, marked, no, Napier. Okay, and this is another beautiful, very shiny necklace. Wow, also Napier. Okay, so you guys can see them. What, I have some tape on here or something. I don't know what is it, but that's fine. That's fine. I'll show you. This is a nice one too. Oh, this one needs a lot of cleaning. Also multi-strand. We have glass, beads, and also plastic, but we need some cleaning on this one. So I think I'm going to put it into the crafting lot for somebody else's project, right? We have a spoon bracelet here. Okay, and another one, a sliding one with little jade beads and also black onyx. Now this is beautiful, and it's okay. There is something on the little tag here. Let me check. Darlene. This is on Darlene. Okay. I'm gonna test this one for sterling, and then I have this one, mixed metal, silver and gold tone. It's a very nice one too, and in very good condition. Okay. These are I love the colors on the beads. Probably agates, dyed agates. Right, okay, take the tape out and show you. Well, this one is a long, very nice. Look at all the charms. I think they are lucite charms. The veggies on a necklace. I think I'm missing a few of them, so I will check this one later. This is a braided seed bead, green. Also going into a crafting lot. Then we have these rice pearls necklace. Okay. Probably an Avon, I'm thinking. A flower and enamel. This one, take a look at this one. I think I had one before, right? I think I did. A pewter cameo necklace. And then this one is a stretchy bracelet. Oh, it is like crescent moon, stones and abalone shells. I'm going to put that one too, put that into the crafting pile. Oh, this is I think somebody made this. And I'm missing probably another strand or something over there. So yeah, crafting. And this is I think this is a topaz. 9 to 5. Yeah, it's a blue topaz pendant, and it's a pretty big one. Love it. And then this one looks like a sterling. Kind of a snake bangle. I like it. Let me put it on. Yep. And testing. That one. I think somebody made this one too with green glass beads. I love the beads though. Then we have a classic, another Napier color style. Also gold tone. Very nice one. Okay. And what with little sodalite chips here. Okay. A tassel one. So gold tone, vintage one, and 4 pearls. Okay. Then I love this one. Ceramic tubes, beads. Right? Okay. I was checking the beads. And then this one is a charm bracelet. Dream, wish, hope, create, inspire. A silver tone one. Okay. This was supposed to be like a cinnabar, but it's plastic, stretchy, and crafting. This kind of looks like a Brighton style leather, or maybe imitation leather, faux leather. Not sure, with a big focal here, cross, some swirl design, bohemian looking. Okay, and let's grab some more. I have a few here. Okay, that's all. I'm not sure what it. Okay, so this was the one that I saw a few minutes ago. It's a Tiffany. It looks real to me. It's a Tiffany charm. Let's see. I'll show it to you guys. It looks real to me. The letters and everything. The stamp is centered. Okay. Nice, nice, fine. And a leather one here. Okay. This one is probably gold. Alright. Yep. Kitty Craft 120 12 karat gold build. This little kitty bracelet. That's beautiful. I love it. Okay. Then this one is tangled here. Okay. Am I doing it the right way? I think so. Yeah, I think so. Okay, I'll just show you this one. Yeah. Maybe I'm gonna open this one though, and I will show you this one first, and I will tangle this one off camera. MMA 1993 KHM, it's in the back, and that's the pearl. Oh, that's pretty. Love the matte finish on that one. And a costume piece with big faceted rhinestones here. Very sparkly. And then we have another, this one is maybe in the showcase, another bracelet very similar to the first one, right? And a bangle here, no name. And then we have another one here, another bangle. There is some tape on this one. This is a J. Crew one. I need to clean that one. Okay. This was a brooch in the showcase. An Art Deco style. Big one. Then we have a nice twisted chain bracelet to gold on. And look at the beads on this one. How pretty they are. It's art glass beads. Oh, I love them. Okay. Another fashion statement one. Also sparkly. My camera is dying again. I just charged it and now it's showing me that it's at 2%, so not sure what's wrong with my camera. A stretchy one, stretchy bracelet. Oh, we have the earrings to the clip-on earrings for the necklace. Right. Okay. This is a nice brooch. And this is a bracelet, but somebody added this. I love the pendant though. I'm gonna put that one in the crafting lot. And I'll show you this one. Hey, a Christmas winter theme. One of those Pandora style with the troll beads. Okay. Right, and we have another bracelet here. Kind of a breast color. No name. This is probably a 1928, yes it is. A dangly little necklace. Okay. And then this is another bracelet. Okay, and I'm gonna show you this ones because I'm gonna tangle them with a big, it's a bit discolored though, over here near the clasp. It's a nice, okay, a nice glass. Okay, a pair of very lightweight, probably aluminum leaf earrings. Now this one is a chunky one with a 3 charm. 3 kids, 3 grandkids, And this is also nice too, with howlite and this ceramic bead. It's a Japanese black and white. I love that. A pair of clip-on earrings here. Okay, this is another, I have the set. I have the necklace, very lightweight, and the earrings. Okay, making a lot of noise. And then these ones here. Oh, this is stunning. This is probably sterling. Yes, it is 9 to 5. Look how beautiful it is and sparkly. And I have a little crown here that is probably sterling, and this is a Pandora star charm. Two charms here, sterling. Okay, nice, nice, nice. I have the, oh, I have the earrings too. And for the necklace, I think this is somebody's project. I have an amethyst, maybe a shell, a bullet case, and also a quartz here, encased in sterling, maybe. I do like this. Artsy, somebody put effort, and I love it. And the imagination that was put into that one. Okay. Oh, pretty. This is a fleur de lis pendant on a chain here. I don't see anything on the clasp. It's a pretty one. Then we have a skeleton key. So necklace, brass, I believe, in my opinion. I have a butterfly too over there. Right? Okay, next is have the sun and the crescent moon. But it is detached here. Let me show you. Not sure what happened with the chain over there. Okay, I got twisted. Okay, I need to do some testing and some research on that one too. Did I show you this one? I don't know. Another stretchy one. Some glass crystals, and also plastic bead, a paper clip chain here, chain necklace, and this one, I don't remember. Oh my word. Okay, this is a Tiffany Co necklace, 3 strands, and some black faceted glass beads. And this one, I see the clasp here, and it's 2 strands, a long one. Okay, another chain necklace. I need to clean this one though. This is right. Okay, that's without a match. So let's see what exactly. Wait a minute. I do love this one a lot. And the bracelets are nice too, right? This one and this one. This set, beautiful. The topaz. This one, the little charms. I like the gold veil. Oh, that's so beautiful. Bracelet, and this one too, the pendant. It's very beautiful. And the Tiffany. Okay. Oh, and this one is nice too. I like this one too. Okay. Now let me know, guys, which one was your favorite. I would love to know. As always, oh, this one. What about this one? The blue and white. And yes, let me know which one was your favorite. I would love to know. And don't forget about the jar, the auction one. So starting bid $50, and you can send me your highest bid at 626-884-5815, and I will wait until tonight at 8 Pacific time, okay? And I will announce the winner in this video in the comments, okay? I will highlight the comments and let you know which one what was the highest bid, okay? That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. You take care. Bye bye.